gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. By the way, we have a brand new website, so you'll be able to see this house and all the others, TopOrlandoHomes.com. And so we're in a special new listing here, and don't take that lightly because we have a lot to offer here in this beautiful estate home here on Strathmore Cir in Remington, Kissimmee. And so we are just west of East Lake Tahoe, okay, the big circular lake that everybody's accustomed to with the water skiing and whatnot, and just south of kind of between Kissimmee and St. Cloud. Beautiful golf course community. Okay, that's one thing, but the house itself is also on the golf course. Not to mention it's one of the biggest lots in the entire neighborhood. Lots to offer, totally upgraded. It's not going to last. Let's go see inside. Okay, so right when you enter the home, you're going to notice lots of upgrades, like I had mentioned. So we have all the wood-look porcelain tiles everywhere in all the common areas here. Okay, very spacious, just over 2,260 square foot home, officially 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, but there's a surprise at the end, which I'll show you. We have the master suite here on the left, very spacious, overlooking the back and the golf course. Then we have the formal living, which you can see is nicely staged, the formal dining room, okay? You're gonna see new windows everywhere. You're gonna see a newer roof. You're gonna see a newer AC. All the maintenance has been taken care of and all the upgrades as well. So I'm telling you, this is like the total house here for you. We have the pantry here on the left, which flows in. We have the laundry, the 3-car garage, and then now we're in the kitchen, which is very spacious. Of course, granite, undermounted sink, stainless steel appliances, nicely painted cabinetry, great color schemes, and you name it here, lots to offer. And so we have 2 bedrooms over here with a shared bathroom in the middle, and then we flow into the family room as well. And so let's go see the back. All right, so here we are on the back porch. So a good portion of it is covered in the shade, then the rest is screened in. We have both living room and master bedroom access right here into the focal point of the back to enjoy the view. And then we have a private bonus room / office back here, finished with AC, ready for you to work privately. Kids can study. Could even be an extra bedroom if you really want it to be. And then we flow. You're going to see how big this backyard is. Let's go see. All right. So welcome to the 4th cut here, right? With the full backyard. It's definitely deserving the special attention here. We have the fire pit, as you saw, and this is all your yard, all the way back, all the way back, all the way back. You can see it easily with the fence, right? And you'll see in the drone overhead photos as well. And so definitely do it justice. Come see it in person. It's gonna rock your world. I mean, this house has so much to offer, especially for the price that is offered here. So again, Phil Colbridge here, TopOrlandoHomes.com. Check it out on our brand new website. You'll see everything there, and we'll see you real soon. Thank you.